Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Very good morning. Very good morning.
हो गया फाइल चेंज हो गया
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
Okay. Very good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Let's start our class.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Now we will start our revision class. Very good morning. Now we will start our revision class. Okay, waiting room has been enabled, been shared, and now. So we were discussing in our discussion class, we were discussing some of the topics that you will see here, and that you will see. Okay. We were discussing all these things yesterday. I hope all of you have taken it down. Okay. Next. So we will discuss today some of the questions. Okay. Why being reproduced? Some of the question is here. We will discuss discussion session. We will discuss today all these things. Okay. I think my voice is audible. Internet connectivity problem is there. And जब मन तब आते ही रहता है जब तक why do living being reproduce? Oh, yeah, the living being reproduce to maintain their race, to maintain their identity. Okay, the living being reproduce to maintain the race, to maintain the identity. Okay, now suppose you can कोई एग्जांपल देखो गिंगल में शेर गिर वाला वो शेर है वो क्यों होते हैं क्यों तो आप हो गया it is on the verge of extinct. ठीक है तो यह कि why living being reproduce living being Is my voice audible? मेरी आवाज जा रही है? Can you hear me? मेरी आवाज जा रही है? Can you hear me? Wait 1 minute. Too much problems are there. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, I can. You can write in the chat mode. Okay. Okay, so let's start. So this is about why do living being reproduce? Okay, living being reproduce to continue to maintain their existence. Okay, to continue their existence on the earth. Living being reproduce to maintain their race and identity on the earth. Next is the question: how do plant reproduce? Okay, how do plant reproduce? Plant reproduce. How do plant reproduce? Plant reproduce. Plant reproduce. How do plant reproduce? So plant reproduce with the help of plant reproduce by the two process. Okay, plant reproduce one through the seeds. Okay, one through the seed, and second through the reproduction through their organs like stem, root, and nerve. Can anybody of you raise your hand? If you know, you can raise your hand. Name the name the name the plant which reproduce through the seed. Okay, name the plant which reproduce through the seeds. Okay, tell me, name the plant which reproduce through seeds. Okay, tell me, anybody of you, Apurv, unmute yourself. Unmute Apurv, unmute yourself, Apurv. Tell me, Apurv.
सर मुझे बस यही बोलना सर, योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग सर.
Oh, but I can hear your voice. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Apurv?
सर
Yes.
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है सर.
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Now can you?
सर मैं फिर से एक बार आ रही हूँ
Wait.
लीव करके.
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
सर कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है सर.
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. Wait 1 minute. It is too much problem. कितना नेट भरा है भाई. Hello. Can you hear me now?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Can you hear me? Thank you. Very good. आवाज जा रहा है अब?
सर बहुत धीरे आवाज आ रहा है आपका.
नहीं जा रहा है. Hello, can you hear me now? Is it okay? देखो अब आवाज ठीक है. अब आवाज ठीक जा रहा है.
सर अब बहुत धीरे आवाज आ रहा है लेकिन आ रहा है.
Then you connect yourself once again. I hope it is problem with you. Let me unmute.
बहुत धीरे सर.
Let me unmute other students. Okay. Anybody of you raise your Ria? Ria, can you hear me? Unmute your audio, Ria. Ria, can you hear me? Ria, can you hear me? Aniket. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Now can you hear me? I have unmuted some of the students. Yes, Subham Kumar, you have raised your hand. Can you hear me, Subham?
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन इज
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
तुम्हारी आवाज आ रही है. अंशिका,
सर
can you hear
आवाज
me?
नहीं आ रहा है.
Anshika, unmute yourself.
Yes sir.
Is my voice audible? Is my voice
Yes sir.
Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Huh? Can you hear me, Anshika, clearly?
Yes sir.
Okay, so let me proceed.
Yes, sir.
So let me proceed. Now. What are the two ways by which plant reproduce? Plant reproduce by the two ways. Okay, one through the seed and other through their body parts. Okay, plant reproduce through seeds and plant reproduce through body parts. Okay, plant reproduce through body parts. Okay, so let's understand about the
सर
seed.
मेरा आवाज तुम्हारे पास क्लियरली जा रहा है.
Okay, now you can see reproducing.
मेरे से रुक गया.
Plant reproduce in two ways. Okay.
How do plant reproduce?
Plant reproduce
Sir,
in. Bolo.
I answer.
Now plant reproduce in two ways. You can see here. Okay.
Plant reproduce.
Next, I have already told. Now the example of this type of reproduction through the seed is papaya, mango, apple, beet, plum, pulses, and reproduction through the like fruits and others. They are the rose, banana, potato, and very common example is the money plant. Have you seen the seed of the money plant? Have you seen the seed of the money plant? Anybody? Have you seen the seed of the money plant? Anybody of you? Have you seen the seed of money plant? No seed, because money plant, it has no seed. Okay. Next. What are different part of the seed? When you will see the seeds have got the different part. Okay, what are the different part of the seed? I will show you the different part of the seed. You can see the different part of the seed here. Okay, you can see this is a picture of seed. Okay, you can see the entire seed. It is seed coat, micropyle, cotyledons. Okay, Ansika, you mute yourself. Ansika, you mute from your side. Ansika, you are talking. Ansika, you are talking. Ansika, you are talking. You are talking. Okay. So let's see the different part of the seed. You can see it is here is a seed coat. Okay. You can see here this is seed coat. Okay. Seed coat. Seed coat is the outer jacket. Okay. Seed coat is the outer jacket. Okay. Seed coat is the outer jacket which cover the seed, and then here it is micropyle. Micropyle is the teeny hole present. Micropyle is the teeny hole present in the seed which carries water. And then we have cotyledons. Here this is one cotyledons and this is two cotyledons. Okay, cotyledons. Okay, here it is cotyledons. Right. Then this is, I hope this cotyledons, it is clear to you. And some have got only one cotyledons, some has got two cotyledons. Those which have got one cotyledons, they are called monocot plants. Those who have got the two cotyledons, they are called dicot plants. They are called dicot plant. Okay, so this is here. This is an example. It has got two cotyledons. Okay, two cotyledons. So it is called dicot. Okay, two cotyledons. Hence it is called dicot. टू के लिए एक वर्ड हम लोग यूज करते हैं, वो कौन सा वर्ड है? जैसे डाइकॉट. आई होप द डाइकॉट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. डाइकॉट. ओके, डाइकॉट. वी यूज द वर्ड डाई प्लस कॉट. डाइकॉट which has got the two cotyledons. That is called dicot plant. Okay, that is called dicot. I hope you have understood it. The example of dicot is gram, bean, etc. And the example of monocot is wheat. Wheat has only one cotyledon. I hope it is clear to you. Next we have seen what is micropyle. We have seen what is micropyle. We have also seen what are cotyledons. Then we have seen what are seed pod. We have seen. Okay, then come to the baby part. What is baby plant? You can see this is the example. This is baby part. Here this is the baby plant. Okay, a small plant which come out from the seed. This is called baby plant. This is called baby plant. I hope all of you have understood it. I hope all of you have understood it. Any problem? Any problem to anybody? 3 participants who have raised the hand. Let me see. Okay, Apurva, unmuted. Apurva, unmuted. Apurva, unmuted. Bolo, Apurva, what is problem? Ansika, unmuted. Ansika, unmuted. Shubham Kumar, unmuted. Tell me what is problem?
Sir,
Tell me, Ansika.
सर
हाँ,
सर स्प्लिट क्या होता है?
क्या?
स्प्लिट
Split okay, split. You are asking a split. Okay, a split. Okay. So let's see.
यस सर.
This is a split, na? S-P-L-I-T. Split means to break. Break. Okay. Split means to break. I hope you have understood it. Mute yourself, Ansika. From your side, mute yourself. Okay. Now, anybody else? If you have
Yes
problem,
sir.
if anybody else,
Yes
you
sir.
have.
Sir,
Mute from your side, Ansika.
क्या आ रहा है सर?
Mute from your side, Ansika.
सर आपका आवाज रुक कर आ रहा है सर.
Okay.
सर
Shubham.
आपका आवाज रुक कर आ रहा
अरे मैंने माइक ही नहीं मांगा। ईयरफोन का आवाज।
है.
Next. Okay. Next. Come to the part. Okay. Growth of plant. Now here we have the other definition. What is germination? What is germination? Okay. Here we will see one more definition that is called germination. Okay. What is germination? Germination. It is a process by which baby plants come out from the seed. It is process by which baby plant or seedling comes. Baby plant or seedlings comes out of seed. Okay, so this is called germination. Okay, germination. By the process of germination, baby plant come out of the seed. Okay, this baby plant is also called as seedling. Baby plant is also called as seedling. Okay, baby plant is also called as seedling. Okay, baby plant is also called as seedling. Next topic we will be learning what are the essential conditions required for germination. Required for germination of seed. What are the essential conditions required for the germination of seed? I hope anybody of you who can say essential and required condition for the germination of seed. Anybody of you who will say? Raise your hand. Shubham Kumar, unmute yourself. Shubham Kumar, unmute yourself.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा ठीक से. स्क्रीन शेयरिंग भी नहीं हो रहा है.
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग तो ठीक हो रहा है, तुम्हारा नेटवर्क पे खराब है.
हम अपने मोबाइल पर देख रहे हैं कि हमारा स्क्रीन शेयरिंग तुम्हारा ठीक आ रहा है। देखो हम यहाँ मोबाइल पर हम भी देख रहे हैं, ठीक है। आई एम ऑल्सो सीइंग ऑन माई मोबाइल, यू कैन सी आई एम सीइंग ऑन द मोबाइल। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। देखो दिख रहा है ना, हम भी यहाँ पर मोबाइल पर देख रहे हैं। देखो यहाँ पर मोबाइल पर हम भी चला रहे हैं, यू कैन सी। एनी प्रॉब्लम? What are the required conditions for the germination of seed? Manya, unmute yourself. Unmute audio, Manya. What are the required conditions for the germination of seed? Manya, tell me. Manya and Abhinav, what are the required conditions for the germination? Will you like to answer? No, Manya, will you answer it? Okay, I have muted you now. Okay, Apurva, now unmute yourself. The required condition for the germination of the seed?
Appropriate amount of water, air, and correct bond temperature are necessary to germination of seed.
See, what are the conditions necessary for? What are the conditions which is necessary for the germination of seed? First is the soil. Soil act as a medium. Okay, soil act as a medium. Then after soil there is requirement of water. We can also say moisture. Then air. Okay, then we can say air, water, air, sunlight. Okay, sunlight. These are the essential conditions required for the germination of seed. I hope it is clear to you. Then come to the next topic. Let's come to the next topic. We have the next topic here. What are the necessary conditions required for the germination? Then after this germination we have discussed. Essential condition for the germination we have also discussed. Then we have next part, that is label the different part of the seed, labeling. Okay, labeling of different part of seed. You can see here the different part of the seed is labeled. Okay, and we have seen monocot and dicot. We have discussed what does mono stand for. Mono means single. Okay, single. Mute yourself. Apurva, mute yourself. Okay, Shubham, mute yourself. Okay, so mono means single and cot means cotyledons. Cot stand for cotyledons. Okay, cotyledons. Okay, cotyledons. I hope it is clear to you. So monocot and dicot. Can you tell the example of monocot and dicot? Can you tell any example of monocot and dicot? The example of monocot is monocot which has got the single cotyledons, and dicot which has got the double cotyledons. They are called dicot. Okay, any problem? Now let's move to the next question, next topic. Let's move to the next topic. We have seen okay on the basic of the activity. चलो यहाँ पर देखते हैं एयर चाहिए हम लोग कल करेंगे, ठीक है, tomorrow we will do it. Now reproduction by different part of the plant. This is also called as vegetative reproduction. This is also called as, in many plants, reproduction takes place through other part of the plant. A new plant can grow from the underground stem or from the root, from the leaves. Okay, this type of reproduction from new plant which arises from the existing organ. This is called vegetative reproduction. What is vegetative reproduction? Question is, what is vegetative reproduction? The reproduction which takes place to the other body part, right? The reproduction which takes place. The reproduction which takes place. Question is here, what is vegetative? What is Vegetative. What is vegetative reproduction? Okay, vegetative reproduction. Answer. New plant which comes out from the other part, like these other part may be root, these other part may be stem, these other part may be root, stem, may be leaf, okay, etc. The reproduction of plant, new plant which reproduce through, या which comes out के जगह पे हम लोग कहेंगे, which comes out के जगह पे हम लोग लिखेंगे reproduce, reproduction of plant to other part, okay, reproduction of plant from the other part of the plant, other part of plant is called vegetative reproduction, is called vegetative, okay, is called vegetative reproduction. I hope it is clear to you. Example. Now tell me the example of one plant. Name one plant which reproduces through root. Okay, name one plant which reproduces through root, one plant which reproduces through stem, one plant which reproduces through leaves, and okay, so two participants have raised the hand. Let me see. Anshika, unmute yourself. Anshika, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Apurva, you can also unmute yourself.
Yes,
and say
sir.
the answer. Name the plant which reproduces through root.
Dahlia
Sir,
asparagus.
root clay.
First, let the Anshika speak. Anshika को पहले बोलने दो.
Sir, root से like banana, ginger and potato and banana, ginger and potato.
Okay, potato. These are stem. Okay, but
Sir, ginger ही बोले.
ginger. Okay, ginger. And name through a stem it will be potato. Okay, potato. And through leaves, who will say through the leaves? Okay, Apurva, can you say through the leaves? Through leaves. Avantika, you mute yourself. Through leaves. Who will say through leaves? Unmute yourself, Anshika. Who will say through the root? Through the leaves. Through leaves. Anshika, and I can say Apurva and other. Anybody else?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I can answer.
Tell through it is
Bryophyllum.
Bryophyllum. It is Bryo, BRYOPHYLLUM. Bryophyllum. Okay. In Hindi it is called Patharbhasm. Right. In Hindi it is called Patharbhasm. Those who are having a stone in their stomach, they use the leaf of this Bryophyllum. Okay. It has got the capacity to digest the stone also. Okay. I hope you have You upload your project on the link, okay, and I will see it. You upload your project over the link, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Any problem to anybody? Anybody? Any problem to anybody? Okay.